Namaste. Welcome to Youth Forum. Sit comfortably with your spine, neck, and head straight. Close your eyes. Keep your left palm on your lap and keep your right palm on the above of your left palm. Gently close your eyes. Try to sit in a comfortable position without any much body movements. Watch your thoughts. Try to aware about your mind. Your mind will have a different mixed thoughts. Try to notice that. Take a long breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Now chant Omkara for 11 times. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palms. Keep your palms on eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Now, let us practice meditation. Choose any position with your spine, neck, and head straight. A simple meditation technique, counting of your breaths. When you are inhaling, feel that you are inhaling and count number 1. When you are exhaling, feel that exhalation and count number 1. The next time when you are inhaling, feel your inhalation and count number 2. The same way, exhale and count number 2. So in this continuously 1 number to 10 numbers, 10 number to 1 number. Without any much disturbance, let your mind fully focus on the breath and start counting. But whenever you miss the number count, please stop that point and come back to the starting point and again practice. This is how we need to practice this meditation technique. Last 5 minutes, try to practice still more with more focus and concentration. Abhyasa, Vairagya. These two should be continuously towards to our yoga practice. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Stop your practice. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. In our next session, we will learn how to practice this Soham meditation. That is an excellent meditation technique. Namaste, Jai Ram Krishna. Next, we are going to our session by Swamiji, Swami Adishamji Maharaj.
Oh, sorry. Because of some reason, from beginning we start. Oh, గట్టిగా రిపీట్ చేయండి, రిపీట్ loudly. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. అస్య శ్రీ లలితా సహస్రనామ స్తోత్రమాలా మంత్రస్య వశన్యాదివాగ్దేవతా ఋషయః అనుష్టుప్ ఛందః శ్రీలలితా పరమేశ్వరీ దేవతా శ్రీమద్వాగ్భవకూటేతి బీజం మధ్యకూటేతి శక్తి శక్తికూటేతి కీలకం శ్రీలలితా श्री ललिता महात्रिपुर सुंदरी प्रसाद सिद्धि द्वारा चिंतित फलावाप्त्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः ध्यानम् सिंदूरारुण विग्रहम् त्रिनयना माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरतु तारानायकशेखरा स्मितमुखी मापेन वक्षोरुहा पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम् रत्नोत्पलं बिभ्रतिम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ॐ श्री माता श्री महाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुंड संभूता देवकार्य समुद्यता उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहु समन्विता रागस्वरूप पाषाढ्या क्रोधाकारंकुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदंड पंचतन्मात्र नायक पंचतन्मात्र सायक निजारुण प्रभापूरा मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला चंपकाशोक पुन्नागा सौगंधिकलसत्कचा कुरुविंदमनिश्रेणी खनत्कोटिरमण्डिता अष्टमी चंद्र विभ्राजा दलिकस्थल शोभिता मुख चंद्र कलंकाभा मृगनाभिविशेषका वंडरफुल जी। Now, original voice that Chaldekara brothers, I post in our information group. Please chant whenever possible. Now, we learn one Durga bhajan, small bhajan and goddess Durga, we learn. जी. G. Gattiga repeat cheyandi, repeat loudly. While repeating, please remember Goddess Durga and pray for whatever you want. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Durgati Nashini. Durgati Nashini. Anandadayini Ma. Anandadayini Ma. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Durgati Nashini. Anandadayini Ma. Anandadayini Ma. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Durgati Nashini. Anandadayini Ma. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Durgati Nashini. Anandadayini Ma. Anandadayini Ma. Anandadayini Ma. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga. Durgati Nashini. Anandadayini Ma. आनंददायिनी माँ, आनंददायिनी माँ, आनंददायिनी माँ. Now our Vandanaji class, Subhashitam.
బ్రదర్ ప్లే చేయండి. జయ రామకృష్ణ. శుభ నవరాత్రి. టుడే సుభాషితం ఇస్ అమంత్రమక్షరం నాస్తి, అమంత్రమక్షరం నాస్తి, amantram nasti, meaning amantram aksharam nasti means there is no letter in the alphabet that cannot be used as mantra. Means each and every letter in our entire alphabets are used in mantras. Means no single letter is useless. It will be used in one mantra, otherwise in another mantra, but it will be used. So no single letter is useless. That is the meaning of this line. Amantram aksharam nasti. Amantram means not mantra. In that way, no akshara is there. Then the second one is nasti moolam anaushadham. Moolam anaushadham. So nasti moolam anaushadham. Nasti moolam anaushadham. Anaushadham meaning aushadham is medicine. So there exists no root which cannot be used as medicine. No root means no plant or tree, anything. Whatever we see in jungle or near our house, whatever, we think it is like a useless plant or useless tree. But there is no plant, means no plant is useless. All the roots are used as medicine. We may think some may be used for eating, or some roots will be for the different purpose like applying. We don't know actually the use. It doesn't mean all roots are medicinal. I'll eat whatever herb I'm seeing, because purpose will be different, but all the roots are useful. There is no useless plant. All are useful. The third one is ayogyah purusho nasti. Ayogyaha means not yogyaha, not capable. Ayogyah purusho nasti. It means there is no incompetent or useless person. So no person is useless or incompetent. You cannot say that this boy is useless or this person is useless. No, they will be used for different purpose. We don't know actually the purpose. That is the problem. So ayogya purusho nasti. All the human beings are useful. Now the last one is yojakastatra dullabhaha. Yojakaha means the planner. Yojakaha tatra durlabhaha. So योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. Then what is durlabha? Durlabha means difficult, scarce, very limited. So we cannot find those people. Who are the scarce? Is only a person who knows how to make good use of all these. So we want that people who can use all these things. They have plan. So scarce is only a person who knows how to make good use of all these things. So I will repeat it again. Last one here, you can see entire thing is there. Okay. Amantramaksharam nasti. Nasti moolamanaaushadham. Amantramaksharam nasti. Nasti moolamanaaushadham. अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति. योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति. योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. So here you can see I have kept Abdul Kalam's photo here. He is also like same like us. So all Purushas, no one is useless. But he knew how to means what is his purpose of life, or how things can be used. So we have to think how to utilize the thing. Each and every particle, each and everything is useful in this creation. God has created this, so everything is useful. We have to plan after knowing what is the purpose of it, how can we make good use of it. It is in our hand. So again we'll read it together. Amantramaksharam nasti, nasti moolamanaaushadham. Two lines. Amantramaksharam nasti, nasti manaushadham. Ayogyah purusho nasti, yojakastatra durlabhaha. Yah purusho nasti. One more time, single two lines together. Amantramaksharam nasti, nasti moolamanaaushadham. Ayogyah purusho nasti, yojakastatra durlabhaha. Uttamam. Now together, can we try? Amantramaksharam nasti, nasti moolamanaaushadham. Ayogyah purusho nasti, yojakastatra durlabhaha. Tadeva samaptam today's subhashitam. So all of you try to practice this. Try to first you by heart this. If we by heart, whenever the situation will come, directly it comes to our mind, and that time we can act according to this. For that purpose, let's by heart it and let's follow it. Jai Ram Krishna. Dhanyavadaha.
So, good evening to all. Now our soft skill session. Today our topic is leadership skill. Now, on 2-3 quotation, please repeat loudly, gatti repeat cheyandi. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Swami Vivekananda. Wonderful. Another one. As long as I live, so long do I learn. Sri Ramakrishna. Fantastic. Another one. When you are doing any work, do not think of anything beyond. Do it as worship. Swami Vivekananda. Last one. God is everywhere, but He is most manifest in man. So, serve man as God. That is as good as worshipping God. Sri Ramakrishna. So, we start our topic. Today's our topic is leadership skills. I want some examples of good leaders' names. Online students, they can text, they can send. Any good leaders? APJ Abdul Kalam. Bharat Ratna APJ Abdul Kalam. He born in remote village Rameshwaram. That time no internet, no proper roads, etc. In spite of that, he achieved so many things. Then Gandhiji, APJ Abdul Kalam, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhiji. He born as a Gandhiji, he became Mahatma. Second. Third, Swami Vivekananda. Third. Fourth, Subhash Chandra Bose. Somebody in online, Bhagat Singh, Aishwarya ji sent Bhagat Singh. Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Vivekananda ji, then Ambedkar ji. Then Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Then Veer Savarkar. Wonderful ji. MS Dhoni and Lord Krishna, Akhil Garu sent MS Dhoni, Aishwarya Garu sent Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, etc. Wonderful. So we know who our role model, who is good leaders, etc. What is the benefit of leaders? If you become leader, what benefit you will get? To achieve your goal. For that, hard work is enough. Your hard work, your commitment, your regularity, persistence, there is stickability, doing one thing at a time, that is enough. Why you should be leader? To achieve your goal. You have 2 hands, you can work with some other extra hands if you become leader. Any other online students also, to inspiring others, to inspire. Akhil wrote, to inspire others. If you become leaders, you can inspire others. Now, just now, our Vandanaji, we learned one Subhashita, Yojaka, one visionary. See, if you become leader, you can give work to so many people. You can utilize potential of people. You can give, so everybody, each soul is potentially divine. When you are unused, no proper opportunities. If you become good leader, you can give opportunity to so many. You can build leaders. You can make leaders. Kingmaker, Sri Krishna was kingmaker. He was giving opportunity, he giving work, he was identifying, Chanakya identified Chandragupta. I like that. If you can inspire others, Akhil wrote here. And you can achieve your goal, somebody told here. Then what is the benefit of leadership? Why we should be leader? Why we should be yojaka, planner or visionary? Any other online or offline students? To complete the mission. One noble cause, one common cause, it is Bahujana Hitaha, Bahujana Hitaya, Bahujana Sukhaya. Noble cause we have taken. If you become good leader, we can complete what you have taken. One common cause. Or good work, we can complete it. Then to help other. From that what happened? We can help so many. So you are a good family leader. Because under you, so many will be very, they will feel very happy. They can be joyful. They can be free. They can be strong. They can be healthy. Because of your own family, maybe one cute family leader, you have taken responsibility of your family. Under you, your family members can be happy. They can be joyful. They can achieve their goal. They can be always positive. They can be always healthy because of you. You are a good leader. Under you, your family members can be happy. Leadership is not that I have to do great task or great goal, etc. No, you can be a small family leader. You can be among your relatives, you can be a leader. G. You can help others. Because of you, some people can be happy, joyful. G. Then any other advantage? Aishwarya, Akhil. G. See, work can be done faster. Actually, 2 + 2 is 8. See, if you build hands now, it will increase our confidence. It will give it like encouragement, and we can be more productive, more efficient. Without fear, we can work. Some support, some emotional supports will be there, and like that. Other things, benefit of leadership. G, we can be role models. So if you become leader, from younger generation, from your family, your relatives, cousins, neighbors, small children, I want to be like Padmavati Garu. I want to be like our Aishwarya Garu, Akhil Garu. Like that, you can be a role model. See, your father worked hard, he got some good position. Now he is a role model for you at present. Tomorrow, if you become leaders, tomorrow you can be a role model to some younger generation. From your family, your neighbors, your city, or like that. See, some Delhi, somebody achieved, they can be a role model to us. Abdul Kalam, somewhere he lived in Delhi, Rameshwaram, Chennai, etc. He lived. He is a role model to us. You can be a role model. Younger generation, you will be a light, guiding light. You will be inspiration. Akhil Santosh wrote, leaders lead from front during adverse times, so that team members can be resilient. Super, wonderful. Actually, see, if you have money, others also have money. You cannot convince others. If you have knowledge, others also have knowledge. You cannot command. I have knowledge, you follow me. You cannot tell. Others also have knowledge. You can work hard. Others also can work hard. I work hard, you also work hard. Like that you cannot tell. But one modern method is there, servant leadership, with requesting tone, humble tone, from your Swami Vivekananda calls Sirdar Sardar, like that. You have to lead from front. You should be ready to do work. Everything you have to take responsibility on your shoulders. You should be ready to do even small work also. We call it servant leadership. Suppose others, your subordinates, your team members working 10 hours, you should be ready to work 16 hours. Then only that see, one comes position by that one position, you can influence others. Personally, you can influence others. Position means you know Nehru family, Gandhi family, etc. They got some position. They transfer to their grandchildren, but they are not much capable. Big kings, they wealth they transfer to their younger generation. After that small, the next generation, they could not keep up that. But this Sirdar Sardar na, from your life, if you show you are ready to do, or you have to ready, you are ready to take more responsibility. You lead from front. That becomes personal influence. Gandhiji, personal influence. Yes, no money, no wealth, etc. No position also, no any responsibility also in that Congress. By personality, personally influenced others. Whereas here that Rahul Gandhi is having position, etc., but is not able to make difference, not able to more productive or efficient. So lead from front. Sirdar Sardar, servant leadership. Okay, ji. Now you are all very learned, well trained. We learn each other. Now I want some common factors. You named on 10, 12 leaders, good leaders. What are the benefit we know if you become leaders? See this person, this good leader, I like this quality. So we discuss on that quality. So we can also, in our actions, it may come. Yadbhavam tadbhavati. Whatever we repeatedly think, it becomes. We become that. So please, our online student, offline student, please tell some qualities of your role models, your leaders. Ji. Super, Ji. This is the leadership, one of the good quality our Vandana ji told. See, when success comes, leaders should share their credit. Because of my team members' hard work, we could achieve this much. Sometime what happened, some rocket failed, it fall in Bay of Bengal. So many our ISRO scientist efforts. That time that leaders like Satish Dhawan and so many other great leaders, they came up that press conference, so many media people, etc. They faced. See, this time because of some problems, we could not achieve our goal. Our scientists worked very hard. We need more technical support. Next time we will achieve. Like that, any other things, in difficult time, leaders should come first. Success times, leaders should share that credit to others, team members. This is the one leadership quality we should cultivate in our life. When success comes, we should share our credit to others. When difficult time, you have to take responsibility. It is just everybody make mistakes. From small mistakes only we learn. We need more experience, more efforts. Next time we will be successful. Like that, you should be encouraging way you have to talk all the time. So that is happened also actually. Our ISRO, so many projects, it happened. Ji, namaste. Our Akhil Santosh wrote, MS Dhoni, keeping calm and cool during tough and pressure situations and supporting the team to bring best out of every member in team, which resulted in winning the matches. Winning not only matches, World Cup, T20 World Cup, and this also big World 2011 World Cup also they won. So leader should always cool mind, calm mind. Whatever the situation, you should be calm. You should be cool. You should not react. You should not retaliate. You should not revengeful. You should listen to everything. You should see everything. And you slowly has to respond. You should be always encouraging. See, our Akhil Santosh Garu giving example of Dhoni. See, in the cricket match, you are playing means everybody is your enemies only. Everybody wants, you should be out. All fielders, batsman, the bowler, etc. Everybody waiting for your fall, your this one. So that time you should be very calm. You should, especially leaders, you should be very cool mind. Any situation, you should be very cool mind. So, we make a list. First leadership skill. First quality, you should have vision. Yojaka, you should be planner. You should know how to utilize people potential. Just now we learned on Subhashitam, you should be visionary. You should have vision. Second one, you should be, in any situation, you should be calm, cool mind. Third, you should lead from front, Sirdar, Sardar. You should be ready to work more than others. Others, if they work 10 hours, you should be ready to work more than 16 hours like that. Servant leadership. Then, when difficult situations, when obstacles during that hard times, you should take responsibility. You should be always encouraging. You should encourage your team members. When success comes, you should share to your team members. So 5 qualities over. Any other qualities in your favorite role models? Down to earth. See, they say in farmers, if you dominate, if you demand, you give one sugar cane, they will not give. With your requesting tone, please, can you give a little bellam, that candy? They give big candy also. If you request, if you are down to earth, humble way, if you request, like one candy contains 10 sugar cane actually. So if you dominate anybody, if you demand, etc., they will not give. With requesting tone, with humble voice, can you help me? Can you do like that? If you convince slowly, they will give their heart like that. So you should have that too. So in that comes, we can call it, these are all non-verbal communications. Leaders should have communication. See, in our one group classroom we have around 40 students are there. Teachers are very helpless. Principals are helpless. Who can communicate properly? They make the class leader. CR. Who can communicate with teachers, who can communicate with principal, they make them. So you should be good communicator. And communicator means you need not be good communicator in English. You can be good communicator in your mother tongue. You can convey your whatever you feel very efficiently, productively. In communication, very 2-3 minutes I take. With you are communicating with others, you should have respect. Only respect only you can win others. Swami Vivekananda went, he called them sisters and brothers of America. And nowadays, Narendra Modi ji, etc., Mitro, Sathiyo, Deshwasiyo, friendly tone. You should have friendliness. Second thing, you should have respect, friendliness, and honesty. What you are talking, you should be honest. And one more thing comes, communication. What are the communication? 2 types communications is there. One verbal, what you talk, what you write, that are all one verbal communication. Another one, non-verbal communication, like eye contact, smiling face, your dress, your posture, body posture, which place you are talking, and your tone, voice tone. Give me like that. Can you give me requesting? One gestures, that are all non-verbal communication. Actually, you have to give some attention to that. You put your efforts to that. So if you want to be good leader, you should have good communication. You should be good communicator. See, Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi, what is the difference? He is a good communicator. Tomorrow, Narendra Modi will get Bharata Ratna because of his communication skills. So, and see, while talking, inside everybody feels some stage fear, some etc., etc. But you need not show. You can hide it. At present, maybe I may be feeling little that fear, but I can hide by your smiling face, eye contact. You should see whom you are talking. Clearly, you should see. And so when you are talking to your principal, you cannot go with Bermuda. You should have some simple dress. And suppose principal is picking a right medium. Suppose some busy persons are there, your superiors, some principals, etc. They don't have, only they can give you 5 minutes. So what are the other? So if you can communicate with email, WhatsApp, some social media. There is some spare time, they're traveling, they're in resting. That time they can see that letters. Picking the right medium. According to the situation, according to your goal, which one is suitable? If you go, your team members, if you communicate one-to-one, one-to-group, etc. Instead of you write one common good letter, very convincing letter, which one is more useful? Picking the right medium. And clarity, you should have clarity. What written you want. You are going to communicate which goal you want to from that. From that, you should have that confidence, friendliness, respect, picking the right medium. Verbally, if I speak, it will be good. Or if I send WhatsApp or email, it will be good. And feedback. Feedback means you are the best judge. You are the best judge. From your experience, see, you analyze your last 2 years back, 1 year back, sometime what mistake you made. From that mistake, now you can learn, etc. So, give importance to communication. If you want to be good leader, you should have good communicator. You should be good communicator. And you need not be good communicator in English. First you be good communicator in in your mother tongue. Whatever you want, you just convey very short and sweet. Keep it short and sweet. And that job done like that. Give importance to your non-verbal communications, like eye contact, smiling face, dress, gestures, postures, etc., and your vocabulary, etc. So we listed communication, vision. If you want to be good leader, you should have that yojaka. You should be good planner. You should have vision. You want to be one team, one family leader, you should have vision, your own way. So that under you, so many people will be happy. Under you, your family members will be healthy. Vision, communication, and encouragement, and you should keep always, you should keep cool mind, calm mind, and credit. When success comes, you should share your credits. When difficulties comes, Sardar. You should lead from front. You should take responsibility. You should take all blames. Any blame comes. Any other G? Online students, your favorite leaders, some good qualities. G. Super G. We call it in communication, one more subheading comes, listening. See, input is more, what is efficiency is input divided by output, that is efficiency, like that. If input is more, work will be more productive, more efficient. You should listen to your team members, what they are thinking, what their emotional, what they're feeling. You should give importance to others' opinions, so that your work will be more efficient. If so many hands put now, that work will be more efficient. So many new ideas. You should have open-mindedness. Sometime according to plan, it will not happen. You should have open-mindedness. You should ready to take new ideas, leaders. Then G. Our online students, some good qualities from your respect, your favorite leaders. G. From Vivekananda Ji. See, what is, suppose Vandana or Padmavati Ji, I will ask. You know your grandfather name, Ji? You know. Your great grandfather name? See, this is the, see, they did so much sacrifice for us. They worked for us. Even you forgot our great grandfather, but Vivekananda Ji lived in Calcutta, somewhere, we remember them. Gandhi Ji, he lived somewhere, some Gujarat and etc. But we remember them. This is the, if you become good leaders, next generation, they remember you. Otherwise, your own grandchildren, they forget. So this is the advantage of leadership. So if possible, please try the whatever our own way. Next, Ji, any other? I made some list. We talk about that. In leadership, with I made two categories, with self, with others. Personally, how you should be. So I made some. You should have desire. You should have vision. We should be yojaka. We should be good planner. That fire should be there. I should complete that. It is his dream. Second quality, he should see once he has taken, it is his commitment. He should complete it. Wisdom is not to commit. Not if you promise means it is your commitment. You should complete it. Second one, you have to take responsibility. If you take responsibility, responsibility will take you. If you take responsibility, responsibility will take you. You are the maker of your own destiny. You are planned, you are committed, then you have to take take all responsibility on your shoulders. All power is within you. Third, fourth one, hard work. See, this word is no magic, G. If you are reading 5,000 pages and you are getting 80% result, you can read 7,000 pages. If you read, you can read 2,000 pages extra. If you read 2,000 pages extra, what happens? That probability, the chances increases. Earlier you were getting 80% result, you may get 90, you may get 95, and nobody can tell. You walk only 7 kilometers. If you walk 5 kilometers, I will beat you. You read only 5,000 pages. If you read more than 5,000 pages, I will beat you. Nobody can say, no competition. And no magic, G. This is a secret. You work hard, it will come. And for every reaction, there is an equal and opposite reaction. No work will be wasted. You have taken from this, you put here, result came. So you believe in your attention, you believe in your efforts, believe in your hard work. Next, we can call it integrity. See, from your self-efforts, from your vision, from your hard work, any position you can reach. See, suppose you climbed Mount Everest, suppose you are on the ground, nobody will see you. Nobody comment on you. Suppose you climbed on that some position, everybody start fault finding, leg pulling, etc. So that time you should show your integrity. You should not compromise your integrity. With so many, Bill Gates, he was very hard worker. Bill Clinton, he was very hard worker. Because of lack of integrity, they lost respect. So you should have integrity. Leaders. Sixth one, positive believing. Positive believing means, see, this word is our karma bhumi. If you want or not want, we have to live 100 years here only. We cannot live in sky. And also it cannot live in sky. But he uses his wisdom. 99.9999, that sand, mud, etc. 0.01 sugar food. But it takes what it wants. See, when you become Bharata Ratna, Padma Shri, our people only make you, they distribute sweets, they build. So our beach road, so many murtis you have seen. Our own people only they built. So these people only will make you wake on the road, wake on the circle, etc. You should believe in positive. You should believe in people. This is our karma kshetra. Suppose you count your blessings, they say. If you're born in Afghanistan, Myanmar, Israel border, Syria, Mexico border, anytime bomb will fall. So this is our, to protect us. Some army people, they are working in that navy people, they are working in warship, submarines. They cannot take 30 days that bath, etc. They are to protect us, they are working hard. So count your blessings, your wonderful family, wonderful well-wishers, wonderful city, your local heroes. See, village people, our Anil Garu, he goes relief work, Araku and other valleys, etc. They don't have proper shelter. They don't have proper drinking water. They're very happy. And these birds, they don't have bank balance. They're very happy. Why? You are a local hero, born and brought up in city, and we have everything, internet, good transportation. Earlier, Abdul Kalam and all, they don't have any internet or good transportation, roads, etc. They were very happy. They achieved. So you should be, you should keep faith in positivity. You should be, and it is a time, only matter of time. People will help you. People will respect you. People make you role model. They only built Ambedkar Nagar, Ambedkar Circle, Ambedkar Road, etc. So up to that appreciation, you should believe in yourself. So positive believing. Next one, give more than you get. Don't question what you are getting. Always. This see, this body, if you keep like this, after 100 years, somebody will put in mud. See, you cannot walk, you cannot move your legs. You can help with your hands. You cannot move your hands. You help somebody through your words. Like that somebody said. This word, this body is to serve others. Otherwise, what happens? It will be, one day it will become decay. After 60 years, 70 years, we cannot move these hands. I've seen some earlier. He was a very bodybuilder. Once that interview, he cannot lift one spoon also. After some, because of some disease, etc. So this is all temporary. This body to serve others. Always think how I can help others, how I can serve others. I am here to help others. Give more than you get. And we are very fortunate Ashrama. We have great volunteers. Every day they are inspiring us. So always count like that. What you are getting instead of that, what I am giving, how I can serve others, how I can help others. You should be always jumping. How I can help others, how I can serve others, where I can contribute. Like that, you should be always jumping. Whenever that gap comes, you should fill. Next one, the power of persistence. Sometimes it is a journey. One day we cannot achieve anything. Taj Mahal or 20 years hard work, 10,000 people, 20,000 suppose 20,000 years or 10,000 years, 365 days. They worked hard. One day we can put bomb and we can destroy it. So it is a journey. Journey means it will not be always pleasant. Cloudy day, winter day. And whole life also will not face the cyclone storm. When cyclone comes, we should calm ourselves. We should manifest that persistence is there. That strength is there. We should manifest that strength, that stickability, that persistence, that commitment, that regularity, hard work. You should not give up. Falling down is very normal. Little mistakes, very normal. But you should not give up. You should bounce back. You should manifest that persistence. One day bright day comes, we achieve our goal. Difficult is time, you should not give up. You should bounce back. You should continue your journey. What you have started, you should complete it. What we are discussing, leadership with self. With others also comes another category. Now, pride of performance. See, I am working for Visakhapatnam. I am working for Andhra Pradesh. I am working for India. You should have that pride. And you are not, for your personal gain, you are not reading or writing. If you read well, if you achieve your goal, you can give rest to your parents. For your parents, you are working, not for your personal thing. Nothing personal. To help others, you are working. You can give rest to your parents. You can give, they will be very happy. And if you achieve anything, our Visakhapatnam people will be very happy. So to make Visakhapatnam people, you are working hard. You keep that pride of performance. You every day you are working. See, Sindhu every day 6 hours she was working for the just 15 minutes performance. That Olympics or anything. For that 10 years that hard work, 8 years hard work. So that every day you are working hard 10 hours, 8 hours, etc. You should keep in that mind to serve others, to make others happy, you are working, etc. Tomorrow, when you achieve your goal, you get that position, you can serve others. You become IAS officer, doctors, engineers. You can help others. You can build our nation. You can build our Visakhapatnam. You can build our Andhra Pradesh. Next, be willing to be a student, get a mentor. See, mobile one day if you not charge, it will be, we cannot utilize. So we should have that recharge points always. Weekly ones like this youth forum and other things, some yoga, meditation, other courses we can join. And before prayers, every day morning and evening, 5 minutes prayers. And reading some motivational books, 2 pages per day. It will recharge us. Our Sri Ramakrishna says, as long as I live, so long do I learn. Like that. So with others, already we discussed, see, whatever you may be great, but inside if you keep no useful, you should have good communication. In communication, you should listen, you should have respect to others, you should have friendliness, you should have confidence, picking the right medium, and feedback from your own experience, which one you can utilize. And communication, non-verbal communication, your eye contact, smiling face, dress, body language, gestures, all you can utilize. You need not be good communicator in you need not be in English. You be good communicator in mother tongue, your mother tongue. Then only you can be a good leader. Krishna communicated Arjuna. Arjuna got motivated. You can help others like that. Already we discussed that. You give importance to non-verbal communications like that. Coaching. See, that Yojaka, planner, just now we learned on that Subhashitam. His soul is potentially divine. Only you have to utilize that potential. If you become good leaders, you can utilize our Swami Atmavedanji, very good Yojaka is, very good vision he is having. Because of him, he is utilizing our little potential, our limited potential, like that. So you can be a good leader if you become good Yojaka, you can utilize people's potential. You can coach, and you should allow others to make mistakes. You see, one small boy is there, 3-year-old boy, or 5-6 years old boy. If you give 10 rupees, you may waste, but lifelong you will not waste. You will learn from that. Third time, fourth time, fifth time, you will may waste. After one day, you will utilize nicely. Like that, you should allow others to make. You should take calculated risk. From that only they will learn. Say one boy, you put baby steps, crawling leads to walking leads to running. Same boy goes to Olympic, win gold medal in Olympic. So our time is up. I put in that any questions you can ask in our group. Now our concluding prayer. Please గట్టిగా రిపీట్ చేయండి. రిపీట్ లౌడ్లీ ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్. నమస్కారం ముద్ర. నత్వహం కామయే రాజ్యం న స్వర్గం న పునర్భవం కామయే దుఃఖతప్తానాం ప్రాణినామూర్తినాశనం సర్వస్తరతు దుర్గాణి సర్వో భద్రాణి పశ్యతు సర్వసద్బుద్ధిమాప్నోతు సర్వత్ర నందతు దుర్జన సజ్జన భూయాత్ సజ్జన శాంతిమాప్నుయాత్ శాంతో ముచ్యేత బంధేభ్యో ముక్తశ్చాన్యాన్ విమోచయేత్ స్వస్తి ప్రజాభ్యः పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహిం మహేషాः గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యः శుభమస్తు నిత్యం లోకా సమస్తా సుఖినో భవంతు మూకం కరోతి వాచాలం పంగుం లంఘయతే గిరిం యత్కృపాతమహం వందే పరమానందమాధవం కాయేన వాచా మనసేంద్రియైర్వా బుద్ధ్యాత్మనా వా ప్రకృతే స్వభావాత్ కరోమి అద్య సకలం పరస్మై నారాయణాయేతి సమర్పయామి ప్రియతాం పుండరీకాక్షః సర్వయజ్ఞేశ్వరో హరిః తస్మిన్ తుష్టే జగత్తుష్టం ప్రీణితే ప్రీణితం జగత్ ఓం శాంతి 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 హరి ఓం తత్సత్ శ్రీరామకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు.
Namaste, Jai Ram Krishna. We'll meet next week.